phone, a knock on my door, a kiss on a wine glass, a dress on the floor, her lips on my lips and my hands on her waist, blonde hair falling on my pillowcase. She ain't the kind of girl who tell a lie, but she meant for good when she told me goodbye. She said hell would freeze over before she ever came home. I guess the devil's got his jacket on. Maybe she got lonely, maybe she got drunk, maybe she got tired of missing what she thought she could give up.